that is Dragon Rock. Dragon means Ajgar. Okay. Our fourth lesson is Dragon Rock. Before going to start reading, let's discuss few word meanings of this particular chapter. First is spick and span. Spick and span means a tail, very clean and tidy. Tail means pooch. A tail, very clean and tidy. Next is zigzag tail. Zigzag tail means had a pattern that looked like a Z or a rows of Zs joined together. Like जिसे आप zigzag means टेढ़ी मेढ़ी लाइन्स जिसे बोलते हैं Z के पैटर्न में. ओके. लाइक नेक्स्ट वन इज drooped, bent or hung down heavily. Hung down heavily means bent होना, नीचे की तरफ झुकना. ओके. कोई चीज जब बहुत हैवी हो जाती है तो नीचे की तरफ झुक जाती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड drooped. नेक्स्ट cross. Here cross means annoyed or angry. In this lesson cross means angry. Next is dizzy. Dizzy means feeling as if everything is turning around. Giddy. Everything is turning around means ऐसा फील होना जैसे आपके चारों तरफ कुछ घूम रहा है, आपको चक्कर आ रहे हैं. Okay, that is dizzy. Next, pollen. Pollen means powder produced by flowers. Pollen is a powder produced by flowers. जब flowers dry हो जाते हैं तो उसमें से powder एक produce होता है जिसे बोलते हैं pollen. Next is twitched. Made small sudden movements of the body. Small sudden movements. अचानक से body में movement होना. That is called twitched. Next is rumble. Make a continuous low sound. Continuous मतलब लगातार. Low sound. धीमी धीमी आवाज करना. Next is shrieking. Shrieking means shouting. Then squealing. Squealing means making a long, very high sound or cry. High sound. बहुत तेज आवाज करना. That is called squealing. Then blasted. Here blasted means made a very loud or unpleasant sound. Pleasant sound जिससे आपको खुशी मिलती है, जो आपको आपके ईयर को अच्छी लगती है, आप लेकिन unpleasant जो आपको अच्छी नहीं लगती. That is called blasted. Whirlwind. A tall spinning column of air that moves about. You can see in the picture also. आपको पिक्चर में नजर आ रहा है ड्रैगन के मुंह से ये जो स्पिनिंग कॉलम बन रहा है एयर का. That is called whirlwind. Then tinkling music. A light ringing sound. हल्की हल्की आवाज आना. रिंगिंग जैसे कुछ टपकने की आवाज. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज spring. Spring means an area where water naturally flows out from the ground. एक ऐसा एरिया जहां पर पानी नेचुरल वे से अपने आप से ग्राउंड से ऊपर आकर बहने लगता है, फ्लो करने लगता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्प्रिंग. देन oozed. Flowed slowly out of something through a small opening. Flowed slowly. धीरे धीरे फ्लो करता है पानी जहां पर आउट ऑफ समथिंग, किसी ऐसी जगह पे जहां की ओपनिंग बहुत क्या होती है, स्मॉल. ओके. Trickled. Flowed slowly without force in a thin line. thin मतलब एक पतली सी लाइन में, सीधी एक लाइन में पानी का फ्लो करना without force. Okay, that is called trickled. Then roared. Made a long, loud, deep sound because of the strong force of the water. जब water बहुत force से बाहर आता है तो उसकी एक आवाज आती है, बहुत लॉन्ग और लाउड साउंड, जिसे बोलते हैं रोड. यूजुअली रोड वर्ड यूज किया जाता है लोयन की साउंड के लिए. मॉन्यूमेंट, a structure or building that is built to honor a special person or event. एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर, एक ऐसी बिल्डिंग जो किसी पर्सन को, किसी इवेंट को ऑनर देने के लिए, रिस्पेक्ट देने के लिए बनाई जाती है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड मॉन्यूमेंट. Yes, dear students. Now look at the warm-up box. Read this dragon poem written by a child. This is a small poem. Dragon, in the word dragon, D stands for dangerous, R stands for red dragon, A for always breathes fire. ड्रैगन जो है वो अपने मुंह से फायर बाहर निकालता है, ऐसा लगता है. ग्रैब्स एनिमल्स टू ईट, जो एनिमल्स को ग्रैब पकड़ लेता है खाने के लिए. आउच, दैट मस्ट हर्ट. नाउ डोंट गो लुकिंग फॉर वन. डेंजरस रेड ड्रैगन, ऑलवेज breathes fire, grabs animal to eat. Ouch, that must hurt. Now don't go looking for one. That is a small poem. Yes, dear students, now let's start reading. Be attentive. Let's start reading of this chapter. People were happy in the quiet valley of Hazel. Here we are talking about the people who were living in the quiet valley of, quiet means calm, valley of Hazel. Valley means a low land between two mountains. वैली एक ऐसी जगह जो दो माउंटेन्स के बीच में नीचे की तरफ होती है, घाटी जिसे बोलते हैं. ओके, इन दिस स्टोरी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पीपल हु वर लिविंग इन द वैली ऑफ हैजल. हैजल इज अ प्लेस. दे वर्कड हार्ड, कीपिंग देयर हाउसेस spick and span and their children's faces clean. In this valley, people were very hardworking. They do hard work. They keep their houses, spick and span means they kept their houses clean, and also faces of their children clean. They were very hardworking people. That summer had been very hot and dry. This is the story of a summer day, summer season. That summer had been very hot and dry, making the farm dogs sleepy and still. जो फार्म पे डॉग्स थे वो स्लीपी पोजीशन में थे, सो रहे थे. एंड स्टिल, एंड देयर वाज नो नॉइज एट दैट टाइम. बाय 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the town would be in a sleepy state. By 2 o'clock, 2 बजे समर्स में. शौर्य, what are you doing? By 2 o'clock, आफ्टरनून में, समर आफ्टरनून 2 o'clock, सब स्लीपी पोजीशन में थे, सब सोए हुए थे. However, the children would always play in the meadow. But the children, they never sleep in the afternoon. They play in the they usually play in the grassy area. Meadow means grassy area. Their favorite sport was a large, long rock that looked like a sleeping dragon. And the favorite sport means place. The favorite place for playing for the children was a large and long rock. That long and large rock looked like a sleeping dragon. ऐसा लगता था कि एक ड्रैगन सोया हुआ है. वो रॉक ऐसी लगती थी. You can see in the picture also. Children are playing that dragon. And in this chapter, that dragon is compared to a long rock. The children knew it was a dragon. The grown-ups knew it was a dragon. बच्चे भी जानते थे और जो बड़े थे adults उन्हें भी पता था. They knew that it was a dragon. The dogs and cats and birds knew it was a dragon. Also the dogs, the cats, the birds, all of them knew that it was a dragon, not a rock. But nobody was scared because it never ever moved. But nobody was afraid of this dragon. Why? Because there was no movement in this dragon. It was still. That's why they never afraid of it. The boys and girls would climb all over it, poking sticks at it and hanging wet boots on its ears, but it didn't mind in the least. The boys and the girls, they climb all over it, they jump over it, poking sticks. Poking sticks, वो टच करते थे उसे शार्प स्टिक्स के साथ ड्रैगन को. And hanging wet boots, wet means गीले, and they hang wet boots on the ear of the dragon. But it did not mind in the least. But the dragon didn't feel bad. उसे बुरा नहीं लगता था. People would sometimes chop. Chop means cut. People would sometimes chop firewood on its zigzag tail. Sometimes people also cut firewood. Firewood means जो लकड़ फायर जलाने के, आग जलाने के काम आती है. They cut that firewood on its zigzag tail. Often on a cool night. At night time, the stories about how the dragon got there began. The people discussed the stories, how the dragon came to that place. Nobody knew for sure. Nobody was sure. पक्का किसी को भी नहीं पता था. But one thing that everybody knew was this. But one thing was sure. Everybody knew that. What was that? In times of trouble, the dragon will wake and free the village by making a lake. In times of trouble, means at the time of difficulty, the dragon will wake. They knew that, they were sure that, the people were sure that when there were difficulty, the dragon will surely wake up and free the village by making a lake. Means whenever the village need help, the villagers need help due to the less rainfall, when they face any difficulty due to less rainfall, the dragon will make a lake. They were sure that the dragon will wake up and it will make the lake in the village. This little poem was deeply set in everybody's minds. The poem, in the times of trouble, the dragon will wake and free the village by making a lake. This short poem was deeply set in everybody's mind. सबके दिमाग में ये बात set हो गई थी. The days went by slowly. The days passed slowly, quietly, and without any rain. बिना rain के. The days passed slowly and quietly. There was no rain for many days. The wells started to bring up muddy, brown water. जो wells, कुएं means, वहां का पानी कैसा हो गया था? Muddy brown. The lawns turned brown and the flowers drooped their beautiful heads. जो lawn है वो अब brown हो गए थे, means leaves जो हैं, trees जो हैं, plants सूख चुके थे. And the flowers drooped their beautiful heads. और flowers भी अब सूखते जा रहे थे, उनके heads जो हैं वो bent हो गए थे, झुक गए थे, because there was no rainfall. The valley became browner and drier and thirstier also every hot day. धीरे धीरे दिन बीतते गए and the valley became browner. There was no greenery due to less rainfall. The valley becomes drier now. The dragon will help us soon, said a child. Then a child said, the dragon will help us soon. Jaldi dragon हमारी help करेगा. It will help us. It will surely help us. He must do something, agreed another. I am sure he will. Another boy agreed with the first boy that surely that dragon will help us. A week went by with no change, but one more week passed away. There was no change, means there was no rain. Some people were getting cross with the dragon and would look angrily at it when passing by. Some people were getting cross means they were angry. When they crossed the dragon, they looked at the dragon angrily. गुस्से से उसकी तरफ देखते थे. But the children had a plan. The children of that valley, they had a plan in their mind. Quickly and quietly, they moved around town, picking the fading flowers. Quickly, matlab jaldi se. And quietly means without making noise. They moved around the town and they picked the fading flowers. So flowers नीचे गिरे हुए थे, सूखे हुए थे. They picked that flowers. They picked those flowers. Then they placed bunches of flowers around the dragon in a big circle. They collect the flowers. Then they placed them around the dragon in a big circle. You can see in the picture also. They scattered petals, पत्तियां, जो flowers की पत्तियां होती हैं, petals. They scattered petals around its head and over its nose. The children scattered the petals of the flowers around the head of the dragon and also over its nose. They danced around it. Then the children danced around the dragon, skipping and chanting the rhyme. Rhyme means poem that they all knew so well. Then they jumped over it and they were rhyming the poem. In times of trouble, the dragon will wake and save the village by making a lake. The burning heat made them dizzy. Burning heat means that day was very hot. The burning heat made them dizzy. अब उन्हें चक्कर आने लगे थे. And finally, they all fell asleep in a heap. And finally, they all fell asleep. वो सब सो गए. उन्हें अब चक्कर आने लगे थे धूप में. Then they fall asleep. When they woke up, they looked up at the rock. After a long time, when they woke up, they looked at the rock, means they looked at the dragon. Nothing had happened. There was no change. A dry wind lazily picked up some flower heads and tossed them around. Dry wind की वजह से, लू की वजह से जो फ्लावर्स उन्होंने स्प्रेड किए थे वो इधर उधर बिखर गए थे. The air was thick with pollen and sand. Now the air became thick with pollen. Pollen means the powder produced by flowers. A stony gray nose twitched. A stony gray. The writer here compares the nose with the grey stone. पत्थर के साथ उसने compare किया writer ने इसमें. A stony grey nose twitched. Twitched means sudden movement. Okay. अचानक से ड्रैगन के नोज में it was twitched. There was a sudden movement in the nose. I saw something, cried the youngest boy. Now cried, the youngest means the smallest boy cried that I saw something. मैंने कुछ देखा है. They stared at the dragon. An ear moved. All the children, they stared. उन्होंने ध्यान से ड्रैगन को देखा. An ear moved. एक ईयर ड्रैगन का वो मूव हुआ. Saksham, what are you doing? Saksham or Samar, who is there? The ground began to rumble. Look out, run, run. Now the ground began to rumble means making low sounds. अब ground में से low sounds produce हो रही थी. Look out, run, run. The children look at all the directions and they run. The children ran in all directions, shrieking and squealing. Now the children, afraid, they ran in all the directions, shouting, and they're making loud sounds. The rumbling grew and grew. अब जो sound है वो louder होती जा रही थी. The sound became louder and more louder. The dragon raised its sleepy head. Now the dragon raised, उसने अपना head जो sleepy head है वो raise कर लिया. It got onto its front feet and sat like a dog. Now the dragon got onto its front feet. Front means आगे वाले feet के ऊपर वो उसने अपने आप को set किया, बैठ गया like a dog. It stood up and stretched like a cat. Now it stood up and it stretched its body like a cat. It blinked and looked around with big, kind, long lashed eyes. Long lashed means palke. Now it blinked. Blink means close and open the eyes. Now the dragon blinked its eyes and looked around. उसने चारों तरफ देखा with big, kind and long lashed eyes. बड़ी बड़ी पलकें थी उसकी eyes की. Soon, all the people stood together at the foot of the hills, staring up at the large beast. Beast means animal. With their mouths open. Now all the people of that valley, they stood together at the foot of the hills. Hill के नीचे खड़े हो गए वो पहाड़ी के पास. Staring up. Staring means ध्यान से देखना. At the large beast, large animal को वो देख रहे थे with their mouth open. अब वो बहुत हैरान हो रहे थे. इतने ज्यादा सरप्राइज थे कि वो उनका एक्सप्रेशंस कैसे बताए गए हैं? With their mouth open. Okay. Yes, dear students, we will read today till here. Tomorrow we will complete this chapter. Now we are going to